Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV10 and place it on a flat surface. This will ensure safety while you work on it. Start by removing the dust canister. Press the red button located on the top of the canister to release it. Once removed, you can clean the canister with warm soapy water. Make sure it is completely dry before reattaching it. Next, we will focus on the battery. Locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button and slide the battery out. If you are replacing the battery, ensure that the new battery is compatible with the Dyson SV10 model. Insert the new battery by sliding it into place until you hear a click. Now let's move on to the filters. The Dyson SV10 has two filters, one located at the back of the motor and another in the canister. To access the motor filter, twist the cap counterclockwise and remove the filter. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents. Allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. For the filter in the canister, simply pull it out and follow the same cleaning process. Remember, maintaining clean filters is crucial for optimal performance. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Our service includes professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice for your device. Once the filters are dry, reinsert them into their respective places. Make sure they are secured properly. Now let's reattach the dust canister. Align it with the body of the vacuum and push it back into place until you hear a click. Finally, check all components to ensure everything is securely attached. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, changing the battery and filters on your Dyson SV10 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your vacuum and keep it running efficiently. Remember, if you prefer not to do this yourself, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free service. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.